If your dreams of the cloud feel out of reach, you're in the right place. Let's make Azure accessible for everyone. First, visit the Azure free account page and click on Start Free. Next, create or sign in with your Microsoft account. No Microsoft account? No worries, you can create one in a jiffy. Now, you'll need to provide some personal and credit card information. Don't fret, Microsoft won't charge you unless you exceed the free tier limits or manually upgrade. Agree to the terms and conditions, complete the verification, and voila! Your Azure account is ready. Head to explore the Azure portal. The dashboard offers an overview of your resources, while the navigation bar and search bar help you find everything in a snap. Want to deploy new services? Click on Create a Resource and use Azure's handy templates. And don't forget, you can monitor your services right from the portal. Lastly, understand your subscription options like the Azure free account, pay-as-you-go, and more. With these basics, you're all set to start your Azure adventure. Happy cloud computing.